Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about earthquake, disaster and the different types of earthquake. We all know that a few days back there is a massive disaster happened in Turkey because of the earthquake. So let us understand in this video about the earthquake, how does happen and what type of earthquakes are there. So let's start the video. Earthquakes are one of the most unpredictable and deadly natural disasters that can occur on Earth. They can cause devastating damage to homes, buildings, and infrastructure. An earthquake happens when two tectonic plates under the Earth's surface move, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. There are several types of earthquake, each with unique characteristics and varying degrees of intensity. The four main types of earthquakes are tectonic, volcanic, collapse, and explosion earthquakes. So, tectonic earthquakes are the most common type of earthquake and occur when two tectonic plates slide past each other, causing friction that produces seismic waves. These waves are responsible for the shaking and vibration felt during an earthquake. Tectonic earthquake can occur anywhere in the world and can range from minor tremors to major quakes, causing significant damage and loss of life. Volcanic earthquakes are another type of earthquake which occurs when there is volcanic activity in the area. These earthquakes are caused by the movement of magma and gases beneath the Earth's surface. Volcanic earthquakes can also cause significant damage, especially if the volcano erupts. Collapse earthquakes are caused by the collapse of underground cavities such as caves or mines. These types of earthquakes are more common in areas where mining activities take place. Explosion earthquakes are caused by man-made explosions such as underground nuclear test or large-scale demolition. These earthquakes are not as common as other types of earthquakes, but they can still cause significant damage and disruption to the surrounding areas. There are three main types of earthquakes which can name as shallow focus, intermediate focus and deep focus earthquakes. Shallow focus earthquakes occur at a depth of less than 70 kilometers below the Earth's surface. They are the most common type of earthquake and can cause significant damage to buildings and infrastructure, especially in densely populated areas. Intermediate focus earthquakes occur between 70 and 300 kilometers below the Earth's surface. These types of earthquakes are less common than shallow focus earthquakes but can still cause significant damage to buildings and infrastructure. Deep focus earthquakes occur at a depth of more than 300 kilometers below the Earth's surface. These types of earthquakes are less common and typically occur near subduction zones where one tectonic plate is pushed beneath other. Deep focus earthquakes can cause less damage to buildings and infrastructures, but they can still be felt over a wide area. There are also other types of earthquakes that can occur, such as aftershocks and foreshocks. Aftershocks are smaller earthquakes that occur after the main earthquake and can continue for days, weeks, and even months. Foreshocks are smaller earthquakes that occur before the main earthquake. In conclusion, earthquakes are a natural disaster that can occur at any time and cause significant damage to buildings, infrastructure, and communities. It's important to understand the different types of earthquakes to better prepare for them and minimize their impact. Remember to stay alert, informed, and prepared in the event of an earthquake. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.